Hello, how are you all doing? Hope we are all good. So, guys, I've been getting this question like a lot of it. How do you make clove oil? Like, what is clove oil? Really? So, I was like, are you serious? So, you don't know what is clove oil? Okay, guys, calm down, calm down, calm down. Just chill, chill. Take a chill pill. Your girl have got you covered. Okay. So, guys, in today's video, I want to show you guys how I make my clove oil, like the one that works for me like magic. So I hope this video will be helpful and useful. Okay, so guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do that. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always sticking with me. I so much appreciate you guys, are the best. Okay, so let's dive into the video. So guys, to make this oil, here I have my argan oil. Like, argan oil has become my favorite oil these days. So I have my India hemp seed blended already. I also have my clove also blended and unblended. So the next thing I have here is my jar, my container that will do the work. So first thing you are going to do is to pour in all your ingredients into the jar. So first thing I poured in was my blended clove and unblended. So I couldn't use all the hemp seed, like the India hemp. I couldn't use everything because it was much. So I don't really need much. Guys, you all know that clove does a lot of job. I keep saying it, like clove strengthens your hair, it helps to eliminate dandruff, it improves scalp circulation, like prevents premature growing hair. It does a lot to our hair. And India hemp also helps to add a lot of shine into our hair, moisturizing our hair. It also thickens our hair. So guys, I need a lot of this into my hair. Like, I don't want to miss any benefit of this, so I just want to get everything. So after mixing everything, I have to turn it, like to stir it a bit to make sure that everything is well combined. Guys, this ingredient has been one of the major ingredients that has been helping me to grow my hair. Like, it has been helping my hair growth journey a lot, and I can always testify. So guys, after mixing everything together, you can either do the double boiling method, but me, I am keeping mine for 1 week to make sure that everything is well infused and can also do the work I wanted to do on my hair. Hey loves, it is 1 week already and our oil is ready. It's ready to serve us, right? Okay, so guys, I left mine for 1 week. You can do the double boiling method, but me, I prefer this method. Okay, so I'm using my white hanky to strain the oil out. You can use anything you want, anything you like, but make sure that it is clean. Okay. So guys, I hope you find this video useful, and I also hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also comment. Bye.